Hello, welcome to our virtual class. Today we will learn about farm animals. It's me, Teacher G. Are you ready? Do you like animals? I love them. These are the vocabulary words. Listen and repeat after me. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Pig, P-I-G, pig. So these are the vocabulary words about animals. Okay, now let's answer this one and tell me what is it. Are you ready? Okay, what is it? It is a chicken. Very good. Next, it is a, what is it? Cow. Very good. What is it? It is a, louder, please. Duck. It is a duck. Very good. How about this? What is it? It is a horse. What is it? It is a, come again? Pig. It is a pig. What is it? It is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Very good. What is it? It is a sheep. It is a sheep. Oh, thank you for watching and see you again next video clip. Bye for now.